Yo, yo, yo. Bonjour. Hola. Yo, yo, yo. Hello.
Good. Ti di gorffen nawr?
Bonjour. Hola. Ni dorffan. Yo,
Okay,
yo,
fine.
yo. Hello.
Good. Ti di gorffen nawr?
Bonjour. Hola. Ni
So croeso stream.
Yeah. Not so far.
Be ti'n neud heddiw, Rhys?
Dwi'n mynd I tiro bachgen o Casnewydd.
Yeah.
Gobeithio.
Cool. Jacob. Jacob wedi bod ar streams ni o'r blaen a mae fe'n rhan o Gwent ifanc a yn chwarae, felly yeah.
Jacob Rees-Mogg.
Na, ddim Jacob Rees-Mogg. Bydd ddim yn hoffi ti'n dweud hwnna. Dylen ni bwydo hwnna fe nawr a ddim fel yn y game. Mi wind o fe lan, mae'n mi just brathu ti. With it. Cyber brat.
Eisiau cael ei cymharu I Jacob Rees-Mogg?
Achos mae fe'n toff ydi e. Mae fe chill. Mae fe fel y boi yna.
Dyna fe.
Dyna ni.
O, ydw fi'n cael invite te? Mor... Gan? Ydy Jacob mynd I anfon fi gwahoddiad?
Fi'n yn siŵr. Ti'n gwybod ti ar y grŵp yna? Pam ti ddim yn just anfon neges ar hwnna?
Ie, na i'n neud yna.
Neud synwyr. Swn i'n symud. Just yn trio wneud cwbl o bethau wrth I ni aros. I just roi chi lawr am eiliad. Oh, you, Jacob, wyt ti'n barod am y game? Great.
Oh, yes. Yes, please.
Right, that's really fun. Dim byd cyffroes. So, Ife, os chi'n ennill heddiw Ri, bydde ti yn y cwarteri neu'r semis?
Ydy hwnna'n y semis wedyn, dia?
Fi'n yn siŵr.
Mae yna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pobl ar ôl, so next round bydd yna 4 pobl, so yeah, semis.
Whoa, that's good.
In quarterfinals.
Whee! Yeah.
Nice.
Ti'n gwybod about guided tour o Cegin fi, sorry. Dim diflannu o bryd gilydd I roi pots a pans heibio, you know, just oil, hot oil,
Pots a pans.
Untatliso.
Clang.
Untatliso efo mor gan.
Yeah.
Episode Cegin.
Yeah, Cegin.
Episode nesaf i'r hot tub.
Okay. Awr na. Chi angen adeiladu fyny at y hot tub. Chi methu mynd syth mewn i'r hot tub, be chi'n llosgi. Ti angen adeiladu fe fyny. Right, hwnna'n pwynt da, actually. Yeah, ble mae Jacob?
God, come on, Jacob boy.
Achos y thing yw, mae'n mynd I bod yn gythio fe'n agos, achos os ti'n chwarae 10 munud pob hanner, fel yn dweud, mae fi...
Os mae ddim yn dod arno. Oh,
Hey.
Pardy, Gwynfly. 50 yna.
Gwynfly yw fel y gais sydd yn trefnu fe, fi'n credu.
So, rwy'n mynd I siarad I fe.
Jacob, bydd ddim fe'n dweud I dot Casnewydd. Sefyll am mentoriaeth Casnewydd.
O, na I just edrych ar y cymuned.
Yeah, a just siarad gyda fe.
Ble ma fe?
Hei, gallai dangos ti'r hot tub, ddo. Fi ddim yn mynd I dangos unrhyw beth arall, ond wrth i ni aro. So chi'n gweld bikinis na fi yn fy shorts, ond i dangos chi. Achos mae'r hot tub sydd 'da fi gyda enw ironic iawn, a fi'n credu mae'n gwerth rannu fe gyda ti.
Yeah.
Okay. Aros am hwn. Right. Dyna'r hot tub. Right?
Ooh, wow.
Edrych ar yr enw.
Clever spot.
Corona. Disgraceful.
Oh, no.
Fi'n gwybod, ond thing yw, o fi ddim yn gwybod hynny. Naeth graig fi prynu fe. Oedd e'n 290 pint B&Q.
Nice.
Four-man hot tub. Mae fe lan i, actually, fi dangos ti yr, what is it? Right, os ti'n gweld fan hyn nawr, mae fe'n dweud mae'n 36 gradd Celsius.
Yeah.
Sy'n nice. A mae gallu mynd lan i 40, so just rhoi llaw mewn. Oh, sec, fi'n cyfro llaw fi.
Oops, we're just
Lovely.
pretty massive. Beth yw'n really
Okay. Mae'n hyfryd.
Wee.
Hey.
So, ddiw e.
Done any.
O ti di wneud e?
Remember if phone team in the vertical or even just like squish up.
Sorry. So dyma yw ti gwydr fi. Mae'n eitha nice achos, I just dangos chi fel hyn. Mae gen ni teledu yn y cornel. A wedyn, mae'r hot tub fyna. A hefyd, ni wedi dechrau tyfu pethau. So mae coeden ffig fyna.
Yeah.
Ti'n licio ffig?
Ti'n tyfu pethau yn y hot tub?
Na, ddim yn y hot tub. Dyna winwns, beth mae'n dweud? Yeah, winwns.
Nice.
Fan hyn wedyn, chi'n gallu gweld, so ymgarddio fan hyn, right? Mefus.
Oh, nice.
So mae patch eitha nice o mefus fyna.
We're just meddwl bod y green screen filter dal arno ar y fideo ti, so mae'r mefus completely see-through.
Oh, wow. Okay, we roi hwnna off. Mewn glasshouse, popeth yn weird, mae'n neud y tour yma bach yn pointless.
Yeah.
Funny, freak.
Chroma key band nawr.
Yeah, please.
Nawn ni gallu gael gwyrth, yay.
Oh, thank God. Okay, so, nôl at y winwns fan hyn.
Nice.
Right? Figs fan hyn, coeden ffig. Wedyn, nôl i'r mefus hyfryd.
Nice.
So,
Nhw'n melyn.
Be?
Nhw'n melyn.
Yeah, nhw ddim di eiddfedu eto. So, wedyn mae gyda ni beetroot. Beth yw beetroot yn Gymraeg? Dim ot.
Truth beat.
Truth beat.
Na, paid. Fi ddim yn gwybod beth yw hwn. Bedding plants, mae'n dweud fyna. Mae hwn wedyn yn betys. Mae am cucumber fan hyn. O, sugar fi di gollon fyna.
Betys y coed.
Right.
Nice.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Unrhyw le ar y ffarm. Ti eisiau? Okay. Ti eisiau edrych ar dyna'r ffarm ar golygfa'r ffarm.
Nice.
Hey, Bale.
Fi wedi gwneud cwbl o vlogs ffarmio, os chi'n edrych ar wefan Facebook Mentor Cyffili neu YouTube Mentor Cyffili. Fi wedi bod yn gwneud cwbl o ffarmio a dangos brawd fi'n fel, a fi'n hynny fel wy'n allan a wneud stuff fel yna. Ond ie, mae'n hyfryd. Yn y pellter, fi'n siŵr os mae'r golau digon dda, ond yn y pellter, ti'n gallu gweld Bydwellty, mae eglwys Bydwellty a ardal fel Markham. So, a wedyn dyna'r mynydd Man Moel.
Man Moel.
Man Moel, ie.
That's nice.
Ie, mae'n oce.
Hwnna'n lyflu.
I don't know.
Lovely
Yeah.
views.
Yeah, mae yn really lovely.
Byw mewn le neis.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mae greenhouse yma'n edrych yn awesome, though. Mae'n huge.
Mae'n offi ti'n tyfu pethau yn y hot tub, so pryd ti'n mynd mewn y hot tub, mae rhywbeth yn tyfu.
Yeah. Wel, os ti'n tyfu pethau sydd gyda fel chlorine mewn nhw, ni'n gwybod pam. Achos yn mynd ar y to, bydd yn dripio y dŵr yn fel, bydd yn amsugno'r thing, so, yeah, just mynd... Be, ydy Jacob yn dod neu beidio?
Ie, dwi'n dechrau'r gêm nawr.
O, ti am?
O, ti'n actually chwarae?
Ti be?
Ti'n actually chwarae, a dyma fi'n dangos y ffyla.
Wel na, ni heb di dechrau eto, ni'n dechrau nawr.
Okay. So, ydy yn syniad I fi switcho... I suppose... Oh, is that a question, actually? Oh, right. Sorry, Rhys. Mae dy fi... fi di cael... Minute. Fi di cael y signal. Sy'n meddwl mae rhaid I fi mynd i'r hot tub nawr, so... Pob look.
20 munud yn gynnar?
Yeah, yeah.
O,
Me.
Cael
Mae wedi bod yn diwrnod brysur, a mae Greg fi'n gweithio fel support worker, a mae hi'n cael lot o sialensau mawr, so fi methu dweud na I hi.
A Morgan eisiau rhywbeth tyfu ydy e?
Hey nawr, just yn y tŷ gwydr, digion yn unig. Okay, na I weld chi hwyrach ymlaen falle, neu na I gwylio dream ti'n ennill, okay? Sorry am hyn bech.
Cael hwyl, Morgan.
Mwynhewch.
Joy dy hun.
Tara.
Tara. Ados.
Skype videos yn huge.
Ie. Ydy ti'n mynd dangos y gêm te?
Well, just gallu gweld y forehead fi, a just frozen llun o Morgan yn gwenu.
Mae'r latency yn shocking.
Rwy fi'n meddwl... Rwy fi wedi trwsio y problem hwnna.
Ie, fi mewn ni heb di tysellu efo land cable ni.
Na, mae'n fi'n just resize yn un nawr.
Be? Connection? Oh, mewn wedi...
Skype videos.
Mewn wedi ti'n siarad am connection?
With their confidence brimming, really, because they really have played well. They've led from the front.
Oh, shot in play. Ooh, go on.
Go on.
Rhedeg! Oh, disgrace! Di Maria, ti'n terrible. Oh, na. Oh, na. Os i'n colli, dwi'n mynd I hwn, so... Just.
Mohamed Salah. Oh, time to get the cross now.
Methu colli rhywun o'r cas newydd.
That's a great interception.
Nes I cael enni yn cas newydd, a ti? Ni'n o das newydd.
Cavani.
Yeah, rwy fi.
Wel,
Edinson Cavani.
yn dweud ni'n o das newydd.
He's taken it away there with a very good tackle. That's cut out.
Oh my balls a.
Roberto Firmino.
Mae'n enni I ffafada.
Mohamed Salah.
Oh, come on. Oh, Rhys, mae'n trwy nawr.
Mohamed Salah.
Na wedyn. Edrych mae'n cut yn ôl.
To put it in
Dwi.
the box from here.
O, wyf fi'n set hwnna. O, na. O, beth oedd hwnna?
Block, but a
Come on, Dooley. Da iawn.
Punch it out.
into play.
Mae'n neitha da efo amddiffyn. Yn un ti neu ma.
Really,
Douchebag.
read the intention of the pass. That's the way.
Da iawn, Mounier.
Nice defending there.
O, beth oedd hwnna?
Mbappe.
Oh, kept.
Edinson Cavani.
Just round. Oh, what that?
It's a good press from the team that have won the ball
Oh,
here.
Yeah,
my
my
Redig.
my name's-
There's the interception. Verratti. Edinson Cavani. Mbappe.
Through ball.
Neatly intercepted.
O,
Blimey.
faint yw pob hanner?
Oh, 10 munud.
10 munud.
Mae'n ages. To be fair though, with y game ti dim yn teimlo fel ages fwy. A wyt ti'n colli 16, 17 nil efo.
Yeah.
A wyt fi ddim yn teimlo fel ages.
Ond, ie. Rwy'n gwneud yn hwyl.
Exactly.
You know, trio
Rwy'n-
cael y pimp red card hwnna.
Roedd hwnna'n beth roedd fe ti'n bo.
Yeah.
Not a penalty. Da iawn referee. Penderfyniad da. Right, ble mae pawb? Ble mae pawb? Dyma fe. Lovely. Beth ydi hwnna?
O!
Hwna'n cerdyn. Come on.
Dim ond melyn. O!
Oh! Na!
O,
Fi ddim yn meddwl bod hwnna'n cerdyn coch.
Dim Fabinho.
Unluckus. Unluckus.
Ydy Fabinho good?
Yeah, mae'n alright. Mae'n midfielder. Oh, na.
O. O.
Oh, roedd hwnna'n disgraceful. Oh, na. Come on.
Syth trwy defence fyna. O! O! O!
Yes! Oh, what the hell?
Proper defending under some pressure.
Ble roedd y defence ti fyna?
The
O!
interception.
Amazing Mbappe.
Wijnaldum.
Oh, in and...
Could have been in really until the interception.
Lawr, Redhead. Da iawn, hwnna ne.
Mbappe.
Piece of it, piece of it,
Good play
piece of
in
it.
the wide areas
Oh.
of PSG.
Ddim yn mynd i roi e.
No.
Nowhere
Good
near.
shot on. The odds were
Ah.
I can't believe he actually went for the ball from that kind of angle.
Ron.
Hmm.
O, hwnna un fwy attempt na rwyf fi'n cael. Ar y ball.
Van Dijk.
Fi ddim eisiau,
Henderson.
ar ôl o'r bws roedd fi'n rhoi person wyt ti'n chwarae fwy am sgôr o sweaties.
Henderson.
Fi ddim yn really eisiau sgôr o sweaty.
That well.
Ond, os mae'r amser yn dod a mae rhaid i fi, falle rai wneud e.
Angel Di Maria now.
Oh, pathetic.
Great vision here. Good idea to put
Pathetic.
it there, but the goalkeeper read it and swept up.
Oh, da iawn.
Wijnaldum. Robertson.
Oh, you having a laugh.
Firmino.
Oh, you screw.
Defenders.
Ti'n cael laugh fan'na, ti?
Oh, right, big. No, wedi mesur fel lan.
Oh!
Take the lead.
Oh!
Nes i just pass o fer bil? That's a pathetic joke.
Not picked
Pam
up.
yn y byd wyt ti'n gwneud hwnna?
Prize for that.
Roedd e'n literally bron mes o hwnna.
Oh, fi angen ennill on. Come on, Rhys. Grow up.
Oh, man.
Rhys.
Roi hwnna i be.
Nes i, Come on now, Rhys. Amser. Dan
Neymar.
amser. Mae'n rhaid i fi dechrau chwarae'n
Thomas
well.
Meunier. Here's Marquinhos.
Ie, hwnna'n syniad da, Rhys.
Cavani.
Diolch.
Mbappe. Striding forward purposefully.
Also. Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh, what's he doing? Oh!
Still trying to get
Oh,
it.
pathetic, man.
Terrible.
Come on, ble mae'r defence fi.
Got the ball and they're going at the opposition with speed. Looked so promising at the beginning, but came to naught.
Nah. Oh, alright.
Oh,
Oh!
Wrong.
Well, they've got a set-piece specialist, haven't they? And this might just suit him.
Ydy yn cerdyn eto?
Well, you've got to
O,
find
na, rwy'n fyna mwy o cerdyn coch na'r un gyntaf.
He's already shown the red card, and now the yellow is out.
Well, it's up to the senior players, the captain.
So os fi'n mynd am dro?
To calm things down out there, otherwise they're going to lose another man. Well, he fancies this. He's a single-minded lad. He's going to go for goal.
Perfect.
And the goalkeeper, he just anticipated the direction of the free kick, anticipated well. Wijnaldum.
Ydy hwnna? Na, dim yn mynd talw yna mewn, ie.
And it was a good idea, but he couldn't find his supporting player. Mbappe. Threading it through.
O, beth yw hwnna? Perfect what? Just methu, dwi'n just bottle o fe, trwy amser.
Stop you gwneud hwnna.
Now Van Dijk. Robertson. Henderson.
Just mynd i cymryd screenshot o'r
Read that well with the interception.
so we're gallu rhoi ar y stream.
Cavani.
Referee,
It's unlike him really to play the ball straight to the
Lincoln
opposition.
Eden.
And that will
Neud
be
e eto?
a Paris Saint-Germain free
Come on,
kick.
come on, mynd am gol, di e?
I can't
Nah,
see him
psychopath,
going
man.
for goal, Martin, here. He's miles away, really.
Idrissa Gueye.
Pam ydi e dau,
You could see
dyna?
what he was trying to
Pam,
do.
what a perfect,
Sit into the net,
absolute,
but pass
hwnna'n
off
disgraceful.
target, well off target.
Ti'n colli Eris, ti'n colli hedge. Stopio fe, calm on.
Shot.
Mbappe. Cavani.
Oh, fuck.
Gone on one possession back with that tackle.
Fi'n meddwl, fe yn mynd am y tackles efo Van Dijk, a Van Dijk yna cael yn melyn, so... So mae ddim yn ofalus. Oh, na, chwarae i dda.
Jorginho Wijnaldum. Well, here he goes. It's good to see a player do this. Navas makes the save here, an easy one. Verratti. Bernat. Edinson Cavani. Trying to catch the other team out with a quick break here.
Oh!
Very fairly.
Yr unig amser, dwi'n mynd blentyn paso, a mae'n darllen e.
To Robertson. Joel Matip.
Pws.
Trent Alexander-Arnold.
Sut dyn ni'n colli? Mae'n efo dead men.
Paris Saint-Germain, and they're not living up to them at the moment, but it's a tough game.
Oh.
Well, I think they took this match for granted in a way, and I'm sure the manager
Beth
will
sy'n
get
gwneud?
into them at half-time.
Ti just angen chwarae gwell na fe?
Ie, diolch.
Mbappe. Oh, he's totally done.
Oh!
Guiding it
Oh!
through. Great play for the
Oh, mae'n mewn! Yes!
Oh!
Nice.
O, rwy'n abys efo hwnna. Cymryd hwnna.
Nice. Rwy'n fi'n meddwl oedd hwnna'n fel just mynd like, erbyn y gol, dim mewn e. Mae'n really
Rwy'n wedi sefio fe, to be fair.
really gwael o fel judge o depth mewn FIFA am ryw reswm. Like pryd mae'r Bale yn like just dod kind of like at a camera neu I don't know. We just really struggle gweld y depth mewn y game hyn.
Mae'n galed, ydy e.
Yeah.
Mae'n galed. Rwy'n y left back is. Pam oedd y left back fi lan fan'na? O, da iawn. Anlwcus gol Beidwan.
Level. Both sides have scored here now.
Beth mae'n neud? O. Y ti dwi fod y bach yn y mater?
Alexander Arnold.
Ie, rwy'n ni'n chwarae beth i gael o fe.
Joel Matip.
Fortra.
Ie. Ac-
Neis.
Ie, ac hefyd Warzone.
Wijnaldum.
Warzone. Nes i ennill y Warzone
Ie.
hefyd.
Hei, da iawn.
Dwi'n
It's
ar crossplay hefyd.
Ie. O! Oh my god, yn lwcus. Chwarae yn erbyn fel cyfridion.
with good vision. Very straightforward
Lovely.
save for the goalkeeper.
Na, Wigan Hwyl. Nes i cael tua 7 game around, finish mewn top 3.
Ie.
A mewn stage 3 dwaith.
Mbappe.
Nice.
Cavani.
Ie, rwy'n fi'n dechrau chwarae, wel, PUBG eto. Nid Warzone.
Strong challenge.
PUBG.
Ond, ie, rwy'n ni'n... Rwy'n ni'n just, ie, rwy'n ni'n dod i top 10 rwy'n meddwl.
O ie, faint o chwaraes mewn PUBG?
Can.
Ie. Ydy e teams neu individual?
Ie, wel, mae'n... Ti'n gallu chwarae solo, duo, 3-man squad neu 4-man squad. Rwy'n ni'n gwneud 3-man squad.
Probing away, working
Ond
away.
rwy'n meddwl maen nhw'n mix o 4-man a 3-man mewn yr un match.
Ie, wel, byd nhw anen, fydda.
Yeah.
Really simple saves like that for Keylor Navas.
Ti'n methu cael...
Na,
Ti'n methu neud cadlan o trees ti.
To Robertson.
na, ti'n methu.
The referee's decided to add on 2 minutes.
Oh my god, nhw wedi
Ie,
fel...
chwaraewr neu
Beth?
cant tîm.
No,
Looking
can.
good when they attack.
Chwaraewr.
O, oce.
Ond mae'n... Nhw wedi
Good contest between these two.
remaster
They
o,
jostle for
un o'r
possession.
maps.
Henderson.
Vikendi, y snow map.
Verratti.
Nhw wedi
Ydy e cool?
Ie, mae'n
Chance
quite good
to
nawr.
break
Nhw wedi
away
edrych
now
fel
on the counter.
train sy'n mynd rownd y map. Gallu neud...
Ti'n gallu mynd o?
Counter-attack
Yeah.
didn't work and they might
Ma-
be able to attack themselves now.
Mae na fel un lle o gael ar y map o enw. Mae fe'r arfer cael ei galw Dino Park.
Hmm.
Here we are at
Ond mae
half-time,
nawr
and
wedi
it's
mynd yn
1-1.
fwy, ond mae'n cael ei galw Dino Land.
Dino Land.
Ie, ni pob amser yn drop o fyna.
I think that's a
It's a
good
little theme
performance, isn't
park,
it,
isn't
Alan,
it?
from him in the
Yeah,
first
Hynny'n
half?
hynny'n syniad sy'n.
Yeah, he stepped up to the mark in that first half.
Eisiau Warzone neu new map.
Just when they were
Wel, mae'n
searching for an equaliser. Interesting to
Pedwar.
see how the
No.
second half pans out now.
Pedwar arno PUBG rwy'n meddwl.
Pedwar map.
Yeah, there's Miramar. Miramar yr un desert. What's the original one called? Sa'n cofio. Sandhook, Vikendi, a wedyn yr un arall. Pimp map.
Oce. O, decent e.
Yeah.
A nhw fawr.
Wel, maen nhw ferio. Mae fel... let's go out PUBG maps. Maen nhw'n fel different sizes.
Rwy Ie. Rwy wastad eisiau chwarae PUBG ond fi.
Everything is in
Yeah.
order,
Cael.
and he blows for the second half.
Mewn nes i cael go unwaith ar cyfriadau ti.
Ie, rwy'n ti'n chwarae fi ar y cyfriad fi o blaen.
Ie, unwaith yma. Rwy'n fi yn beidrod.
Ie, mae Miramar yn 8 by 8 kilometre map.
Trent Alexander-Arnold.
Carrikin,
Roberto Firmino.
quite very, very small.
Alexander-Arnold.
Mae'n dwi'n 2 kilometre.
Patient
2 by
players,
2.
they try to get the goal.
Vikendi o 6 by 6 kilometre map.
Confident to control
Ac
it.
mae Erangel, that's the original
And he's dealt with
Erangel.
it. That dangerous
And-
moment.
50 Erangel. Wyth by
Jordan
wyth hefyd.
Henderson. He's gone in.
Yeah.
And boy,
Erangel.
Ie, yn fawr.
8 kilometres up and 8 kilometres.
Ie, ond mae'n dim ydi e.
Yeah, on you know, that's how.
Joel Matip.
On an actual size, character ti fel.
Oce.
Good to
Hey,
see
for
this
that,
referee
Yeah.
using the
Actually,
advantage
15.
rule.
COD was max size.
Trying to steer it through. Cavani!
Beth yn y byd? Sut na... O, Icardi, ti'n mynd bant. Na, Cavani, ti'n mynd bant. Fi'n dod o'r Icardi am an ti. Mae fe jyst yn cael perfected shot. O. Cymryd ti ban, you waste us. O, shot in ti yn Cavani. O man, Cardi. Draxler, ti dod hefyd. Na. Dim ti, Draxler. Na, fi. Ti dod am gau. Lovely. Dwi'n os mae'n dangos replay nawr pryd yn dod mewn. Mae'n terrible shot. Roedd fi'n awesome chance i sgoro. That's he pass him flipping Mbappe i ni rhywbeth. Mae ddim yn dangos am stans. Dangos ips. A masio fe. Granarach.
Oh, apparently mae'n 9 kilometres squid yr un Warzone.
Ydy e? Mae'n fawr ydy e, to be fair.
Yeah.
Ooh, dangerous, bydd mae'n neud.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. The Black Ops Blackout one bricked him on 2.6 kilometres squid. Oh! Oh, that's a red. Hwnna'n cool, come on.
Mae'n hoffi slide tadlo dyn o'n.
Oh, dim yn melyn.
Ond y dau centre-backs efo cael ei melyn nawr, so hwnna'n... bod...
Yeah, he's had his hands full, hasn't he, the ref, just to keep a lid on this match. There's a lot of ill feeling down there. I think he fancies this, you know. He's so capable.
Oes unrhyw un yn y chat heno ar Twitch? Unrhyw un fyna? Hello?
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah, that was never going to finish up a goal.
Corner for Paris Saint-Germain, away to getting into the lead now.
Gol geidwad da.
Seen that light as well, so good hands.
Right, ni'n cymryd yn byr.
They've gone short with the corner.
Oh, shot, beth i'n neud? Pathetic, man. Pam fi siwt o fyna? Happy safety.
Hwnna'n riagos.
Trying to get the ball.
Stole it.
Other than a free kick, to be fair.
Verratti. Pablo Sarabia. Mbappe.
Wyt ti'n just gwthio fe bant o'r bel?
Return to Verratti.
Oh!
Given away a penalty, but the tackle.
Sut na fe? Tatlo fi fyna.
Mohamed Salah.
Ble mae'r defence? Ble mae'r
Out of
defence?
position with pace.
Oh! Oh,
The
mae'n trwy!
defenders.
Yeah. Oh
For
no!
Mane. Up for grabs here.
Hwnna'n agos.
Corn now.
Oh!
Bummer.
Oh no! Lwcus
Strong,
hwnna.
powerful clearance.
Lucas iawn. Oh, Pete's sake.
Press from the team that have won the ball here. Henderson. The defenders managed to get in the way there.
Neymar, heb di bod yn game no double.
Neymar.
Yeah, beth
Here's
mae'n gwneud?
Icardi.
Neymar yn cysgu.
Read the play well.
Come on now. Oh my ball, oh my.
Oh, ti'n gadw fe trwy, man.
A real chance to go in front. Oh, well
Os roedd fyna mynd mewn, fi'n just...
Ti'n lwcus hwnna.
Na, ie, dod da. Da iawn na, fas.
in goes the corner.
Blind, ie, rwy'n meddwl roedd jyst mynd gadl yn mynd mewn.
Easy one.
Crazy fool.
Ooh, short.
Now Bernat.
Hai, dim taclo gilydd ti. Mania.
Neymar. Verratti.
Oh, T. Jordan. T. Jordan.
Oh! Almost lost it.
Mbappe.
What are you gonna
Oh,
do?
you-
Ah, come on.
Trying so hard.
Oh!
The opening there. Nearly. Saved by the keeper, but not decisively.
Wasted chance, hwnna.
Mm.
Construction.
Supporters are going to go home happy. They've certainly
Oh.
not been short of entertainment here. As you
Oh, bummer. Nes i cael fi.
It's a bit lazy in possession.
Oh, beth ydi hwnna?
My God, beth oedd hwnna? Rwy'n just gwylio fe mynd past e.
Taking on the opposition and the responsibility as well.
Thinking, eh?
Verratti.
Right, come on, Neymar. Try!
Chance
Neymar.
for a break in numbers.
Mbappe!
Left the defender
No!
trailing now. Here's the
Mbappe!
pass.
Point 59! Oh!
Opportunity with the ball over the top.
Overplayed.
Oh, come on.
Very
Overplayed.
good clearance, and it was needed. Stolen the ball in the attacking third too. Must take the lead here. Good stop by the goalkeeper.
Pathetic shot. Wasted space.
Like, for a bit of a game, it was just like taps. I mean, he tap of it at a goalie.
Robertson. Jordan Henderson. Wijnaldum. The opposition looking to close him down.
Ooh,
Cut it
nice.
Mbappe.
Mbappe!
Oh, you're jamming a laugh.
Great tackle.
Mbappe,
Really
15
solid
grenade.
today.
3 and just neud penfyniadau shot in.
Roberto Firmino. Alexander Arnold.
Yeah, ti'n dweud fi.
It's Salah now. Trying to spot a potential ball to open them up, but they're keeping the ball well. Pablo Sarabia. He wants to run at them with the ball. It's good to see. Neymar to put them in front. But it's come off the goalkeeper, still in play. Really strong play in the tackle.
What?
Beth yw hwnna, man?
Hwnna'n joke.
Mohamed Salah. Getting the ball
Jocan.
back and thinking attack straight away.
Oh,
Roberto Firmino.
nice. Mae'n trwy.
Roberto Firmino.
Oh, pressure on him, pressure on him. Oh!
Yes!
Well, he couldn't make the most of that. It's a goal kick.
Goal kick.
He's done very well here.
Melon.
He let the game go on.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
Because he got a
Alright.
card infringement in that move, and now he's gone back and shown the yellow.
Yeah, it was a definite booking. The player's got no complaints.
It's Marquinhos. 20 minutes of the 90 still to play. Mbappe.
Mbappe!
Here's Icardi. Taking on the defenders. That's a good block.
Oh! Oh!
What?
Mbappe.
Why? Nes i neud dump shot.
Fe'n
Wow.
way offside, either.
Yeah.
Given the offside.
Pam. Os i'n colli yn, rwy'n mynd i bod yn drist.
Beth sy'n digwydd os mae'n draw?
Here's Andrew
Mynd i
Robertson.
extra time, yeah, penalties, probably.
Henderson.
Falle.
Good interception. Oh, he's through. Too close to the keeper.
Come on, Goldie, Edward. Man, nice.
The Park de France is on its feet here, urging the players on to get a late win, and a deserved win for me.
Just over quarter of an hour left on my watch. Mbappe. Promising forward play from them again. Saw that coming and intercepted. Mohamed Salah.
Oh! Oh!
Salah. Sloppy work from him.
Intercept with hwnna, nice.
Oh!
Hwnna'n
There.
red, rwy'n meddwl. Hwnna'n coch, Ceri coch, ie,
I'm
mae'n Ceri coch, Ceri coch!
I'm not kidding, Melin. Like.
Oh, right.
Cool and calm in
Really
a
Well, not
difficult situation.
straight red, anyway.
Difficult situation, but they are
Rwy'n ddim sylweddoli yna.
out of
Right,
control.
Van Dijk yn bant.
And it's tough
Hwnna,
refereeing
yn
to
newyddion
show
da.
red again.
Ie.
Well, you can see some
Pwy di Van Dijk, ydi yn
Come
attacker?
on with the goal.
Oh!
Bender.
Off the goalkeeper.
Beth yw hwnna?
Amazing save.
Roberto Firmino.
Ooh! Nice steal.
Verratti.
Oh, you'd have to laugh.
Get the ball.
Na fe, dod! Oh!
Just reading.
And they're
More
going at the
Govlin.
opposition with speed. This could be it.
Oh.
That is a tackle and a half.
That is a tackle and a half. Oh, nice.
Cardi
Beth ni yna?
Not nice.
trying to pass it
Beth
through
oedd hwnna?
the
Pathetic. That's what it was.
absolutely vital this late in
Bod
the
rwy'n
game.
just mynd i pasio'r bel i'r opposition nawr. Bydd hwnna'n great.
Mohamed Salah.
Oh!
Henderson. Henderson.
Oh!
Wanted to go for
Right, fi'n meddwl amser am sub.
Pwy ti'n sybr arno?
Oh God, fi'n cael lot, to be fair. Dod Draxler, Arno, Neymar di bod yn absolute balls. Na'n rhoi Draxler ar y win a dod Neymar yn midfield. Trio talu ar bel fach.
Syniad diddorol. Os rwy'n fi'n gwybod pwy oedd nhw.
Right, come on, Dean.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Trent.
Oh, you have a joke. Mae di mynd... Beth mae'n neud? Ti'n cael laugh? Oh, pan mae fi wedi pose fe? Mae'n rhaid i like, dod a subs an a stuff now.
Wyt ti?
Yeah, fi wedi hefyd, ond roedd fe'n efo twll yn y defense roedd fe'n rhaid i mynd bant. Ond nawr mae dim yn ymwy. Twps yn tebot, Rhys. Twps yn...
Rwy'n gweld beth sy'n mynd i digwydd.
In the shot,
Come on.
but he needed some direction.
Yeah, I
Right,
mean, if
pwy
you
sy'n
don't
cael ei
shoot,
sub?
you don't score, but he's got to do much better.
O, ydy, a neud unrhyw subs? Dau cerdyn bwch. Come on now, boys.
Na, mae ddim.
Julian Draxler. Neymar. Here's Icardi. This is excellent from Paris Saint-Germain. Icardi.
Oh, that's nice.
Icardi!
Oh!
He left
Oh!
the goalkeeper.
Wonderful agility.
Alisson, man. Alisson yn chwarae'n da.
Opportunity.
Yeah.
Paris Saint-Germain will put it back for the opposition. Can they win it now?
Oh, pathetic. Beth oedd hwnna?
Now
Nes i
Sadio
just
Mane
colli men wedyn.
being pressed. Defensive area. Mbappe.
Oh!
The system plays the
Pam
back
wyt ti'n mynd offside? Waste of space. Icardi chwarae yw'r terrible.
Oops. Oh, mae hael hyn yn just like
Come on,
syth mewn I llygaid fi.
Jordan Henderson. Robertson. Read that well with the interception. It's good attacking play this from them. Icardi!
Oh!
Decisive
Nice!
Icardi, ti dal yn terrible, ond ti gallu sgoro.
Pam ydw i ddim yn gwneud yr frog dance?
Oh, we're just more cyffroes. Anghofio.
and surely the victory with it.
Nice one.
They are known as a very
Oh, dwi'n teimlo bad am e. Mae di 87 munud fel.
tight defensive midfield, I think.
Just angen dal arno fe nawr.
Seem to be stuck in
Yeah, mae dim yn dros.
this
Oh.
very late goal has changed.
Oh!
They threw men forward and they've got the reward.
Can they hang on? Get it through. Can he finish it now?
Frog dance! Frog dance!
Sitting
Left
there.
L2, anti-clockwise right.
Aren't they, with this goal?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on.
Nes i neud e?
Doesn't always pan out that way, so
Oh, na. 2 late goals. Oh, dwi yn actually teimlo fel
Has been beaten here.
dris nawr. Dwi'n teimlo'n bad.
3-1 the
Dwi'n teimlo fel dwi wedi
score.
pwnio fe,
Start the game.
a nawr dwi'n
Yeah.
pwnio fe mwy. Di'n necessary.
Here's Andrew Roberts.
Mae'n di os yn dod... Mae'n gallu dod nôl, ti'n gwybod? O, na.
Yeah. 3 munud at a time. Oh, mae'n troi!
O, offside!
Oh, got in.
Yna'n so unlucky.
Got in.
Let's mynd am gol arall, ie.
Yeah, actually, remember am y frog dance, ti angen bod midweight play neu rhywbeth fel yna?
Di cael 10 tro? Na. Midweight. Mae'n weird.
Na, mae'n rhywbeth fel hwnna, fel yr the light neu fast players yn gwneud y front flip peth. Oh! Bad postyn. A high agility player nhw'n gwneud yr front flips.
Oh, no!
Oh, no! It's low agility players sy'n gwneud y frog dance.
Oh,
man.
Game da. Unluckiest, mate.
Yeah.
3 points.
Well, that might just be a very
Unluckiest.
victory in terms of them.
Game da iawn, game da iawn.
Yeah, we've done good. Unlucky's Jacob.
Yeah, unluckiest Jacob. Rwy'n yn dim da.
Yeah.
Ni'n mwynhau yna. Da iawn, Jacob. Rwy'n di unluckiest efo Terdia Coch yn meddwl. Ond, yeah, game da.
Mae Morgan wedi dweud, go on race, gwych.
Hey.
Nice. Right, so let's edrych at the actual table. Ooh, ysgysarch fi. Nice transition. Right, dyma ni. So dyna sut mae'r y bwrf yn edrych.
Right.
Ni gallu gweld ar y gwaelod roedd e'n Rhys fi Jacob, so mae Rhys jyst wedi curo Jacob a bydd e'n symud ymlaen i'r... Ydy hwnna'n semi-finals?
Yeah, semis.
Yes. No. Yeah, no. No, mae ddim yn semi-finals, ydy e? Mae'n finals?
Yeah?
No, mae'n mynd finals, semi-finals.
Quarterfinals. Yeah, we've nad oedd hwnna yn y quarterfinals just wedyn.
No.
Yeah, fi'n credu
Yes,
mae'n...
yes. Sorry, rwy'n darllen y peth yn anghywir. Rwy'n meddwl. Yeah, so bydd ti yn erbyn either Arwel neu Dylan. Roedd Dylan...
Arwel neu Dylan?
Yeah.
Oh, Dylan, person ti di tiro ti.
Yep.
Na I cael revenge i ti os mae'n chwarae fe. Mae'n rhaid i fi ymarfer fori nawr, er fi'n bach yn rusty hefyd, so...
Yeah.
Yeah. Wel.
Let's gweld os mae unrhyw beth wedi cael ei dweud yn y WhatsApp. O pwy sydd wedi... Game da... Na. Na, rwy'n methu gweld. Ni wedi dweud game da, ond ni heb di dweud pwy sydd wedi ennill. Sa'n siŵr. Ond bydd hwnna'n am i'r fideo nesaf. O, mae'r gwyneb Morgan dal yn frozen ar y sgrin o fe just yn gwenu. Right, so... Hynny ne am heno.
Yeah, a ni'n yn ôl y fori am y gêm nesaf, fi'n credu, ydy e?
Yeah, so mae'n...
Beithio, ni'n gallu cael y party yn gweithio fori, so wedyn ni dau siarad i pawb bach yn y gêmau arall.
Yeah.
Ond, yeah.
Yeah, so...
Ni pawb hwnna?
Gweld ti fori am y semi-finals? Semi. Sumo.
Sumo wrestler.
Right.
Diolch pawb. Ta-ra.
Hwyl.